everyone! Welcome to Singable Words. Today we're learning a cool word you can sing with me. We'll break it down with its definition, synonyms, antonyms, an example sentence, and even a quick knowledge check. Stick around till the end for a funny joke and a big follower shout out. Let's get started!
Singable Words!
The word is
Knack.
Now let's sing it together. Grab any instrument you can play and follow through its chords and its lyrics.
Knack means to have a natural skill, to be able to perform the task. The antonym is not able to.
But wait, here are some words that mean almost the same thing. We call them synonyms.
Genius, quickness, skill.
Subscribe down below and be sure to hit that like button. Not every word has a BFF. Some have opposites, and we call those antonyms.
Inability, incapacity, clumsiness.
Now before we head on and use this word in a sentence, want to hear a joke? Why did the pencil ace all of its tests? Because it had a knack for drawing conclusions. Now let's use it in a sentence.
The kid has a knack for solving puzzles quickly and accurately.
Now let's test your knowledge. Give me a thumbs up if the word is a synonym, and a thumbs down if the word is an antonym. So next time you're writing or talking, you can use this word or one of its friends, depending on what you want to say. So go out there and let your vocabulary grow with Singable Words.
I'm only in second and I'm learning 4th grade things. Singable Words!